everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm showing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for August 26th through September 1st. It is a very slow week at Walgreens. If you guys need to take breaks, go for it. I'm not finding a lot of great deals at Walgreens. Like, I'm not going to go do my second haul this week. I probably won't be doing a second haul that week because there's just not a lot of stuff that I'm seeing. So I'm here to share with you guys what is going on sale. Now, right now, they have they're going to start the spend 25, you get 5,000 points. That deal's only for 3 days. So it's for August 26th, 27th, or it's 4 days. 26, 27, 28, 29. So it goes until August 29th if you guys are interested in that. But they have chips for $1.99. They do got some Nestle candy, like Butterfingers, Nestle Crunch for 39 cents. So if you guys have register rewards that you need to use up and you need to use fillers, that'd be a great product to, or great stuff to use. They have OxyClean laundry detergent for $3.99, and we'll be getting $2 off coupons, making them just 99 cents. Or $1.99. I'm sorry, I'm tired. I need a nap. So not much else going on in that. Here they got some food deals. Nothing that's really popping up. I mean, the Lindsay olives, you can get that $1 off a 2 coupon, but we get olives. Olives are on sale at Walgreens like every single week. So if you guys are interested in stuff like that, now they do have some pop or soda 3 for $3, which could be a pretty good deal. They got ketchup, buy one, get one free. So I'm assuming you buy one ketchup, you get the beans free, so there is that. Lots of candy deals will be going on sale soon because of, you know, Halloween coming up. I'm just going to move this a little bit closer. Halloween coming up, so if you guys are interested in stuff like that. Here we got cleaning supplies, 2 for $9, not the greatest. Vanity Fair, nope. Angel Soft, maybe there's a decent deal, but Glade, I know we have some $1 or 50-cent off coupons if you guys are interested in that. Crayola, all the back to school stuff is buy one, get one 50% off. Not the greatest deal. G2, 2 for $6. Now, I do think we have a $1 off coupon on those. But, again, not the greatest deals for back to school. Here they have the Pond's and the Vaseline. Buy one, get one 50% off. We did get some Vaseline coupons. So, if you guys spend $12, you get 3,000 points. 20% off Neutrogena. If you guys spend $20 more, you get 4,000 points. Again, not the greatest. Looks like all the makeup is buy 2, get 1 free. So, not a lot of great deals with makeup. But then here they got the Garnier Fructis 2 for $7. We are getting a 4 off a 2 coupon, making those just $1.50 a piece. Again, not the greatest, but if you guys are interested in that. Was it Head and Shoulders, buy one, get one 50% off. We are getting the 3 off a 2. And then if you guys spend $12 or more, you get 3,000 points. Nice and Easy, Clairol, 2 for $14. We are getting a buy one, get one free coupon, so they end up becoming $7 or $3.50 for each of those. Some body wash, buy one, get one 50% off. Crest is $2.99. And then we're getting those $1 off coupons, making them each $1.99. So then if you guys buy 4, you get $6. So that could be actually a pretty good deal. Now, it does say in the small print that it says select toothpaste, toothbrushes, and mouthwash. So we might be able to get mouthwash at a pretty reasonable price. Colgate, $2.99. If you guys buy 2, you get $2 worth of points. Again, not the greatest. It's just a slow week. Here we got some feminine products and some medicine. Nothing that's really popping out. And you guys can check this website or check the ad on the Walgreens website. It always updates their ad on Wednesdays, so you guys can, you know, look into it. But otherwise, just not a lot of stuff. Not a lot of stuff. Was it $3 register reward if you guys buy 2 of the Band-Aids or Neosporin? And then we're already on the last page already. It's a very slow week. But they have 3,000 points if you guys spend $15 on Tide and Downy, and then there's Puffs and Dawn. All is $2.99. We're getting those $1 off coupons, making them $1.99. Otherwise, yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing really spectacular, nothing to go crazy over. I'm hoping there's maybe some surprise sales on us, but I hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all Sunday for my Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.